Well, we're feeding the hungry children of Chilliwack with the partnership through the Bowls of Hope. This is called the Epic Day of Service. Internationally, 55 countries are hosting a work day today through Rotary.
We're assisting the Bowls of Hope with developing their community gardens that they in turn grow produce to turn into meals for 1,200 kids a day in the high schools in Chilliwack.
The Bowls of Hope program is amazing. The volunteers are doing something that I think is really making a difference. We know that when kids are hungry, they can't learn, and a healthy meal in the middle of the day can make a huge difference to so many students. And this is just growing some vegetables to make the good food so that the children can learn.
Well, Chilliwack Bowls of Hope feeds a lot of children in the community, and this is our way of contributing in some small way to growing that food.
I like giving back. I like getting out in the community, getting to meet people. This is a initiative that involves more than one Rotary club, and so we get to meet members from the other clubs as well, and we're all just doing our part to make life a little bit better for Chilliwack.
I just signed up not knowing what I was getting into. Okay, so they said they needed a hand. They had to do like a bunch of gardening. I'm not a real gardener. I like tractors, right? So, but this is good. It's good for me. But anyways, they asked for volunteers, so a vast amount of people showed up.
My heart really gets tugged when I recognize that in Chilliwack, with all the abundance, we still have children who are food deprived, and we want to work with other like-minded folks to change that. So it speaks to my heart, speaks to my soul, and I'm glad I'm here.
If you look at how much food we produce in this small area, right, world hunger is actually unnecessary because there's lots of opportunity to grow food. So what do I think about it? I don't have the answers for that, but I think at the end of the day, the opportunity to eradicate any hunger is available if you have a shovel and a rake.
For me, it's just giving up some time so that I can help from my heart, from my soul.
Well, I think if we all dug in and did our part, I think we could probably do a lot to overcome some of that. And it's not just the hunger aspect that's important, but it's also the sense of community that's developed by reaching out and providing food for people, because loneliness is a big part of the emotional problem that goes along with that. It's a whole social issue that we're trying to deal with.
Roll up your sleeves, you can make a difference.